Most people are fine with being average. They make excuses instead of making moves. They get comfortable instead of getting better. They follow instead of leading. But let me tell you something, the people who actually win in business and sales don't think like everyone else. They think like Serena Williams. They think like Steve Jobs. Serena Williams became one of the greatest athletes of all time, not because of her talent, because of her relentless execution. Steve Jobs didn't just build Apple, he revolutionized entire industries by refusing to settle for mediocrity. And that is exactly why we work with high performers. Business owners who want to dominate their industry, sales professionals who refuse to get stuck at average, leaders who want to build something bigger than themselves. So the real question is, are you one of them? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what separates high performers from everyone else, and if you have what it takes to step up. Let's go. Serena Williams didn't become the GOAT because she was born talented. She trained harder than everyone. She perfected every aspect of her game. She didn't just win, she wanted to dominate. But here's the difference between Serena and most people. Most people want success, but they don't want to work for it. Most people want to win, but they don't want to train like a champion. Most people want big money, but they don't want to execute at an elite level. Are you training like an elite closer? Are you hoping for results? Are you studying your market like a competitor? Or are you just guessing? Are you pushing yourself to improve daily, or are you staying in your comfort zone? Winners don't just practice, they master their craft. If you're not operating like a world-class professional, don't expect world-class results. We work with business professionals and sales leaders who want to train like champions and dominate their field. If you're ready to level up and start playing like a pro, let's build your strategy. Book a free strategy session below. Now let's talk about how Steve Jobs built one of the most powerful brands in the world and what you need to learn from it. Steve Jobs wasn't an entrepreneur, he was a visionary. He didn't just build Apple by following trends, he created them. He didn't care about competition because he was too busy setting the standard. Most businesses fail because they refuse to innovate. Most salespeople struggle because they never adapt to new strategies. Most professionals get left behind because they stick to what's safe instead of what's next. Are you constantly learning new strategies? Are you stuck in outdated methods? Are you pushing for better, bigger results? Or are you playing it safe? Are you making moves or are you waiting for someone else to do it first? The best in the world don't follow trends, they create them. And if you're not innovating, you're already behind. Now let's talk about the final mindset shift that separates high performers from everyone else. Serena took the tough shots because she knew that's what winners do. Steve Jobs made the big moves because playing it safe never changes the game. Most people hesitate because they're afraid to fail. Most people talk themselves out of success before they even try. And most people wait instead of acting. High performers don't hesitate, they execute. The only way to guarantee failure is to never take the shot. Most people watching this won't do anything with what they just learned. Most people will nod their heads, they'll agree with everything I just said, and still go back to just being average. But you have a choice. Are you going to commit to playing at an elite level? Are you going to push yourself harder, train smarter, and execute better? Are you going to build something great, or are you going to be like everyone else? Because if you're serious about growth, performance, and scaling your success, we want to work with you. Apply for coaching below. Let's build your next level game plan. And if you found value from this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.